Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, today's review is on the Nexxtech Professional Atomic Weather Station. Has indoor and outdoor temperatures, humidity, calendar, all kinds of little cool features to it. Even has a, what do you call it there? Moon phase, sunset, sunrise, barometric pressure, humidity levels. Pretty sophisticated little machine, and they're only about 50 bucks over at the source, which is kind of cool. If you want to know indoor and outdoor temperatures a little more accurately than perhaps maybe your local website, I usually check our website here in North Bay at the airport, and just to get a ballpark idea, and then I also have another website that I check and bounce them off each other and see who's most right. Usually our airport here is more right anyways, but this thing's pretty neat so far. Pretty happy with it. Only uses 2 AA batteries for the main unit itself and 2 AAAs for the sensor, which I'll just quickly grab here. This is the main sensor here that stays outside, and it registers in Celsius or Fahrenheit. You can set it up for any number of locations around. Let me grab the one page here in the manual and give you an idea. Now we're set for Toronto for the whole sunrise sunset thing because that's the choice given. I guess they go by major areas or something, but there we go. Location setting for sunrise and sunset. This covers Canada and the United States, so there's a fair bit of selections, and that's chosen from down below here. Ours for Toronto is set for YYZ. So even though we're in North Bay, it's set for Toronto, and I guess that's just the way it works. I don't understand a whole ton about this thing, but I thought, what, it'd be kind of cool. We can easily take a look, at this thing at any time and see how cold it is outside, and gives us an idea too of the inside temperature of the house, and you can make adjustments too. Where you're at a more comfortable level with the heating in your house too, and for winter time, and it tracks it down on the second line here. This is our indoor temperature, and this is our outdoor. Right now it says it's about 0 degrees outside, which it's pretty close, I would say. Right now the North Bay website says it's about -4 outside and it's snowing, and this thing says 0 degrees, and it's only been sitting out there for a little over 20 minutes. It does take a while though for it to, I guess, for the whole unit to get cold enough outside or warm enough outside to get things balanced out. So what I'm probably going to do with this is I'll set the sensor up on my shop outside, because being in just outside the window right now, it's not going to be as accurate because it's not fully exposed. So I'm gonna probably bolt it to the shed outside. It has a little slot on the back where you can just pop a screw into your wall outside or whatever and clip it in place so it doesn't get blown away. And so at least it'll have free reign for full weather effects out there anyways. And this way, every time I go to the shop, it's like, oh, it's cold. Yeah, right. I'll check before I go out anyway. But I think it's a really neat little system. So if you're looking for something like this and you want to have a better idea, what phase the moon is in, and all that sort of jazz, and your indoor and outdoor temperatures, this thing so far has proven to be really accurate. Like I said, it does take a while for that outside sensor to drop so that you get the most accurate reading, but I think we're pretty happy with it right now. These things, it's always the test of time. There's 2 alarms that you can set to, so it can actually wake you up in the morning as an alarm clock. It does have a snooze and light button, and it's got a nice green backlit, which is kind of cool. I really like that part of it too. Anyways, thought we'd share this one with you, and you know, if this is something you're interested in, you know, it's not bad. It's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, you know. So, anyways, let me know what you guys think. You know, feel free to leave your comments and you know, any questions, and I'll do my best to answer the questions. I'm still actually going through the book myself. There's a whole whack load of stuff to learn on this thing, but it's actually pretty straightforward. You know, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to, you know, figure it all out. You know, the important thing is use good quality batteries in the sensor for outside, you know, and don't put it in direct sunlight. There's one thing they do tell you in the manual. The other thing is it does have a 30-meter range, so you can have that sensor pretty much anywhere within 30 meters, which is 10 meters is 33 feet, so within 99 feet of the main unit itself. So, you know, that's going to come in handy, because where we set the main unit generally is in our kitchen, and the sensor will be outside of the shop, so that's only, you know, maybe about 40 feet away. So, you know, it should still make the trip really good. There are channel selections where you can change channels on it, I guess, for better frequency responses and stuff. I've got everything just set on channel 3, I guess, just so you don't interfere with somebody else's unit if they have one nearby you. But anyhow, we're going to give this, you know, some time, so obviously you won't see a follow-up or a final thoughts and review type thing for probably a few months anyways, maybe closer to the summer, and you know, just to give it enough time to see, you know, how long the batteries are lasting in the units, and you know, how well this thing is actually, you know, functioning all together. But so we'll do that then and go from there. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.